Hello, my dear friends. Today, let's talk about something very close to our hearts, our home. It's our safe space, our little kingdom where we raise our children and make beautiful memories. But just like we look after our own health with regular checkups, our home needs a little bit of care too. The most important part of our home is its foundation. Think of it as the strong legs your house stands on. If the foundation is weak, the whole house can get into trouble. A small problem today can become a very big and expensive headache tomorrow. Trust me, I have seen it happen in my own neighborhood in Chennai. We often spend so much time decorating our homes, choosing the perfect paint colors and beautiful curtains. We make sure everything looks lovely on the surface, which is wonderful. But what about the part we don't see every day? The foundation works silently, holding everything up, through sunny days and heavy monsoon rains. Ignoring it is like ignoring a toothache. You know it will only get worse. It's not just about money, it's about the safety of our loved ones. A strong foundation means a secure home for our family. Taking a few minutes to check your foundation is a small act of love for your home and your family. So let's make a promise to ourselves today. We will become our home's first doctor. Now you might be thinking, Arcana, I am not an expert. How can I check a foundation? Don't you worry at all. I am here to tell you that this is easier than making a cup of chai. I call it the 3-minute foundation scan, and it's a simple routine you can do while you are just walking around your house. You don't need any fancy tools or technical knowledge. This is a visual checkup, a quick health scan for your home. We are going to break it down into 3 very easy steps. Think of it like a game. First, we will play detective and look for clues in the form of cracks. Second, we will check if everything is straight and level. And third, we will hunt for any unwanted moisture. Let's think about a real-life example. My cousin in Bengaluru noticed that the beautiful ceramic tiles in her kitchen had developed a thin, hairline crack. She thought it was just because of something heavy dropping. But when she did a quick scan, she found similar small cracks appearing near the base of the wall. This simple observation led her to call a professional, who found a small issue with soil settlement. Because she caught it early, the fix was simple and affordable. Alright, let's put on our detective hats for the first step. This one is all about looking for cracks. Your home's walls, floors, and ceilings are like a storybook, and cracks are the words that tell you what's happening underneath. Start by taking a slow walk around the outside of your house. Look closely at the concrete or brick foundation near the ground. Are there any visible cracks? Pay special attention to zigzag or stair-step cracks in brick walls or horizontal cracks in the concrete base. These can be signs that the foundation is under stress and is moving or settling unevenly. Now, let's move inside. Walk through each room and scan the walls, especially around the corners of doors and windows.